So I had this vision of my children and other children having this book that they can refer to it. And then I said, you know, well, if I can do this for children, maybe I can expand that. And I said, you know, who else would I love to talk to? And college students came to mind. So the book detailed my college years and some pearls that I felt would be important to them. And then I thought about all the different employees and managers and so on in the KICVentures family. And I'm always telling them story. I'm always trying to mentor them to actually be better leaders. And I always think of myself as just more of a teacher and a mentor. And I want everyone in our company to become a leader within the KICVentures family or go and lead another company. So I thought a book like this is a great instrument that extends myself to more people. But I'm also planning to go out and speak directly to as many people as I physically can. But I hope this book is a reference book, and that's why I wrote it, so that it could be used by many, many people.